All right, so back to Versal. I would have to take this quiz then after I've done my homework. And if I pass it, it would take me to my next, you can see that my next chapter is locked. And it's not unlocked until I've passed this quiz and I can move on. And so what we do over here is we assign this to naughty kids who have been bad with their computer. And I say, okay, within a week, I need you to email. At the end of this, it says email me. They have to email me their results. And so they'll have to go through this. It's about an hour and a half worth of work. And so then they have to kind of refresh themselves on digital citizenship. And so this is a good way to, I think, help, or you can give this to kids who are way ahead in your class. Say, hey, you take this class as kind of extra, or kids who are way behind maybe to catch up. But it's a good way to do individualized learning so that kids can, use their time better. I'll show you how easy it is to create, if at all possible. So I created a test course. I'm going to edit the course. And I did this in about 2 minutes, so it's not that big a deal. I added a session header called Anacondas. You're going to learn about anacondas, read the Wikipedia entry. And so if they click on the Wikipedia, it'll of course take them to anacondas. And then I put in a video about anacondas. I'm not sure that I should publish this, but. And so then I went to the next one, and I added a lesson, and this is how easy it is. I drag a session header up there, and I type in it. I gotta click on it, I guess. Okay, good. So then I add some text. I just drag it up there, click in it, start typing. Done. I want to add an image, so I add an image. Click on it. It says, what image do you want? I'll put in the Chant logo. All right, that's as easy as it is. I want to add a video. I drag a video up there. And then you put in the YouTube address of that video. It is so simple, it's unbelievable. So, again, not going to go through the whole thing, but that is something, all you have to do is get on Versal and start messing with it, and you might have something. It's pretty cool. All right, next, Google Hangouts. Does everybody know that you can make video phone calls from your computer? You can. All right, so if you're in your inbox of your email, you go down to this lower corner. I'm going to click on Hangouts Conversation, and I'm going to add one. And these are the people I've called lately, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to enter tech support, which is the guy who's sitting right here at this computer. So I'm going to call him and see what's going on. So tech support should see, if you're watching the TV over there, he should get a call here in a minute. Or did I do the wrong thing? I don't think I called him. I want to add a phone call. There we go. I'm going to make a video call. All right, you can see it popped up on the TV over there. It's calling, and all I have to do is answer it. And you can see it's using this camera here, so you guys' faces are on the tech, and you're going to get a lot of feedback because the two computers are right here. If they were in other areas, it would be a way better experience. But you could talk to somebody across in the elementary, in the high school. You can talk anywhere in the world using Google Hangouts. We're going to quit that. But everybody has that capability already on your computer. You have to do nothing. All you have to do is start a Hangout. There's two things you have to do. You have to say, yes, you can use my camera, and yes, you can use my microphone. those two things get in the way sometimes. But if you have a meeting at ESU 10 and can't get there, you need to talk to somebody there, it's snowing or something, use a Google Hangout. They all know how to use that stuff, but a Google Hangout is a good way to bridge the distance. All right. Remind. I'm not going to even go to that, but basically Remind is a text messaging app that you can get, put it on your computer, and add the kids in your class, and it'll send a text message to everybody that's on your list. So kids love to get text messages. It's the way they kind of communicate, if it isn't Snapchat or Instagram or something like that. But if you want to set up a list, use Remind. Again, just go to that link and you'll figure it out. Great way to keep people informed. Stupaflix, very quickly. Stupaflix makes these. It's a video with pictures. So all you do is say, go to Stupaflix, and you create an account. Again, you just use Google Login, and it says add pictures. Okay, I add pictures, and then it creates one of these. So this would be great for end of the year things. Okay, we want to see all the good things we did in class. If you've got a bunch of pictures of anything, again, FCCLA group has you got a bunch of pictures, and you're at the banquet, you want to show all those pictures. Open Stupaflix, download the pictures. It puts them in order for you and puts all these transitions in. I had to do nothing. All of this was you just choose a template and it works. So that is Stupaflix, and again, the link's right there. YouTube Live. You can do live streaming, any of you. Again, you're all set up for it. All you have to do is go to YouTube, under your account, you go to My Channel, which you'll have to create a channel if you haven't yet. Very easy, you just name it and put in some stats. This is my channel, and what I would do is I'm going to go to, I always forget what I'm doing here, Video Manager. And these are all the videos that I've made. So if you ever start getting into using YouTube to make desktop annotations, etc., it keeps all your videos here. And all you do is go to live streaming. No, crap, it's sending me back. I need to create an event. Well, for some reason it's not enabled. I must be logged out or something. But long story short, you click on event, create an event, and you can live stream anything from your classroom or anything like that. Shouldn't be too often used, I'm guessing, but it's there for you. All right, the next thing down, help desk, Chanticleer check-in. Of course, those are things that I've sent you links to. I just put those in again. Facebook, the website, and Twitter. I have control of all three of those things, but I need information from you guys. If good things happen in your club, again, FCCLA, please send it to me so I can put it on there. I want everybody's things out there for everybody. I do a good job of getting the sports stuff. First of all, I'm involved in basketball. I go to the games. I can tweet that out. But let's say we get first place at the speech meet, which I actually happened to put that on Twitter this time because I heard about it. But just shoot me an email, a text, say, Mike, would you put this on Twitter? If something good happens, I can put it on Twitter, Facebook, and the webpage. The high school and elementary, those links, the announcement PowerPoints. We've created an announcement PowerPoint of both of those. If anybody wants to explore their creative side, please let me know, and I'll add you as an owner, and you can add to those. Right now, it's just me doing the high school, and Emily is doing the elementary. So you can email either one of us if there's something you'd like up there. Testing environment. Lockdown browser. We're almost done. I'm going to speed through this. I'm sorry. 2 o'clock's right here. Testing environment. Again, you elementary people are going to have Chromebooks in your classrooms, all of them, next year.